Today we are learning about how to install WordPress through the Cpanel. The first thing you need to do is to log into your Cpanel and head to Softaclos Apps Installer. As you can see on the screen, we have our WordPress. We've selected WordPress and then we are on the WordPress panel or WordPress page. You click on install and then select the latest of the versions as you want, and then you can enter the name of the site you are installing the WordPress for. So I'll enter the name cleansmart.com. Cleansmart. You can put in the description as said on the screen. Then you can see I decided to maintain the admin as a username, and then I type in a password. So here. Then you can click on install. Let's see. So it starts installing. Now installation has completed. So you can see the details right here. Now we click to go and look at what has been installed. So let's see, it's loading. Now we're in. So you can see this is WordPress dashboard. WordPress dashboard. On the left side, you have all the main menus, and then on the right side, it has the descriptions. Now, so we'll now need to begin to configure. You can configure it by going to appearance and themes, where you can choose a theme you want to use for your WordPress site. Blah 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 blah. You choose a theme or you download your own theme. You can do plugins and download any plugin you want. So now we're looking at the sample site. So when you install WordPress, this is a default site that it comes with. So we can go to the dashboard. We can do some customizations. So let's go to the dashboard and see what happens. So this is the dashboard. The dashboard allows you to customize, do so many things with your website. So as you can see, we click on customization, or we customize your site, or customize your site. So let's see what happens. We are brought to this screen where you can easily change the name of the site. Some of the features you enter during installation, those ones can be changed, easily changed. So these are the places that you change those things. And after you are done changing whatever you want to change, you can click on publish to save whatever you've changed. And then you can get back to your dashboard. So see saved. Then click OK to continue. Then we'll come back to our dashboard. On the dashboard, you can decide to add your own appearance, or add a plugin, or add a theme that you want to use. Over here, I try to add a new plugin. So you can just select the plugin and click on install. And then your plugin will be installed. Now you see that the plugin did not work. It did not install at all. First I tried changing the checking the permissions to see if all the permissions I needed were there. And when I checked, all the permission needed were all there. So I went back to the Cpanel and then I changed the version of PHP I used for the installation. I changed it to the latest, which was 7.2, I think. And then I came back to the plugins and then voila, it installed perfectly. As you can see, I installed Elementor. Elementor installed so well. And then I installed all the other plugins I needed. And then I continue to do my web development, which will be in the next video. And this brings us to the end of the video, and I hope all I've explained have been of help, great help to everyone. And put it in the comment below if you want us to do video about any other topic. You do well to do a video to explain